Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make wheel pop-out effect easy in After Effects. First of all, let's scroll to your second clip with a wheel and then duplicate it. Make sure you are at the beginning of that layer and then right-click on it. Go to Time and select Freeze Frame. Scroll back something like this and move that duplicated layer there. Make sure to cut the ending right where the actual video starts from. Now right-click on it again and pre-compose it. Name it to wheel and then make sure move all attributes and adjust composition duration is selected and hit OK. Now we need to mask the wheel. To mask I will use Mocha AE. In Mocha select elliptical tool and mask the wheel as smooth as possible. Once you are done, click on Save and close Mocha AE. Expand Matte now and then click on Create AE Masks. Double-click on Anchor Point tool now and move the anchor point to the center of the wheel. Enable 3D on wheel layer now and then press R on your keyboard to open rotations. Scroll to very end and click on Y rotation stopwatch icon. Press P on a keyboard and click on position stopwatch icon. Scroll to the beginning of a wheel layer and press U on your keyboard to open all created keyframes. Create a default keyframe on Y rotation. Now move position of your wheel all the way down. Scroll in the middle and move it up something like that and then change Y rotation to 2 times. Let's quickly check the animation. It looks so weird. Let's correct the curve in Graph Editor now. Select all keyframes and press F9 on your keyboard to ease them. Now go to Graph Editor, right-click here and select Edit Speed Graph. Make a smooth curve like mine. Let's check it now. Now that looks way better and smoother. Make sure to enable motion blur on wheel layer to make it more smoother. Let's add some shakes now. I will skip shakes part because I have made too much shake tutorials. Also I have made 16 unique shake presets that you can get from the link in description. Check how it looks like with my shake presets. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.